Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and the key to staying cozy is having the perfect sweater, and that's exactly what this is. I love this cardigan by Sidefeel. There are so many wonderful things about it. Let me tell you. First of all, it is so incredibly soft. Even after washing it, it didn't pill up. It looks beautiful. I also love the cuffs because I'm not having to constantly push up my sleeves when I'm getting stuff done. They are very comfortable. They are not too tight. They are just right. They also hit just below my hands. I am 5'5". I ordered the medium, and I'm really happy with the size of this. The length is just above my knee, and so if I want to wear leggings with it, and I want to keep my bum covered, then this is perfect for doing that. I also love the neutral color palette because you can wear this sweater with anything, whether you're wanting to dress it up or dress it down just to stay cozy around the house. You have got it with this sweater. I have been in love with this sweater. I've been wearing it every day this week with all different outfits, from the couch to the grocery store, doing stuff around the house, everything in between, and it has been perfect, and I have stayed so warm and so cozy, and that's my point of view.